Last night, we slept at the hotel in Val-Des-Sources, Asbestos, to be able to go super early in the morning at the Jeffrey mine. We're waiting to go to the Jeffrey mine. We are in a row of maybe 10 cars or 15 cars, and we're going down to the mine to get some Garnet, Serpentine, Nephrite, and many more.
And probably Vesuvianite.
Oh, maybe. We're up the hill, we're going down. Let's go. I didn't have the proper car to go down the mine, and instead of waiting for someone to go back up and pick me up, we decided to walk down the mine, and we found amazing stones.
Oh.
You! C'était du beau.
Finding some rocks along the road. Most of the nice gems are underwater, but you cannot go there anymore. If you don't have the permit, don't go down there, please. You need to be a member of the club. It's super easy and it's not expensive at all. And yes, they will draw a name, and if you're lucky, you're gonna be able to go and grab yourself a bucket of rocks. I really enjoyed the lighter shade of the jade, but I couldn't find many beautiful pieces. Most of them were pretty opaque.
Do I have to break one of these?
Look how beautiful the scenery is. I feel super lucky to have been able to be part of this amazing expedition. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go back again. Hopefully, I will. This is Francis from Sasqua Sound. He goes to the mine to grab himself beautiful rocks to put on his flutes. He does amazing work. You can see it in my other video on the Asbestos Gem Show. On the MineDat website, I saw a picture of something that looks like where we were. Some of the most rich colored jade, Nephrite Jade that I found was kind of in a precarious area, and I was afraid that the big rocks would fall on my head.
Hammer smashed camera point of view.
Look, come closer.
Many rocks that I found were rhodonite,
The big chunk is right there.
serpentine, but I have a few little pieces that are translucent,
That's cool.
like Nephrite Jade.
Oh, don't push me.
Sadly, I couldn't bring the big piece because it was too heavy and I
Give me my
wanted a
baby.
variety of stones.
You can put it just beside my bag. It's really sharp.
Really
Everything
big,
here
too.
is sharp. Okay, hold this.
Is this jade or serpentine?
Oh wow. I don't know.
You
Serpentine.
You gotta scratch it.
Yeah, but because it makes sheets.
Shits of rock.
I think that this is the one that they call miroir de faille.
Essayer. Commencez avec le petit bout ici.
I made a few little caps, and the darker ones that I have are from the jade I found myself.
Vous ici. Ceux-là sont vraiment beaux.
Okay.
Là, ça doit être à quelqu'un, j'imagine, hein? Regarde ça. Je vais demander. C'est-tu à quelqu'un? Le tas ici, c'est-tu à quelqu'un? C'est-tu à vous? Il y a de l'eau là-dessus? Non?
C'est ce qu'on appelle l'effet miroir de faille.
Oh, wow!
En fait, c'est la roche qui s'est micro-frottée contre elle-même suite à tous les événements sismiques et autres qu'il y a eu dans la région. Puis ça l'a tellement poli que ça reflète comme un miroir. C'est ça que je cherchais pour enquêter de l'autre côté. C'est ça que je veux amener en Ontario. À chaque fois, ils me disent ah, ça c'est artificiel, hein, ça vous l'avez poli. Non,
Oh.
c'est naturel.
David was trying to cut off the beautiful little gemmy Thulite.
La rose. Fait que tu fais un mix des deux.
Quelle particule fine va donner cette couleur?
Ben, c'est ça. Oui.
Ça peut être du talc, ça peut être des résidus d'amiante. À partir du moment où c'est de la particule fine.
En tout cas, j'ai tapé. C'est sûr que là-dedans, il y en a. Ici, regarde, ici, il y en a.
A few people were working on this rock, and the man beside us has also a video on YouTube, and he's really kind. He gave us some of the nice rocks he found.
Pognés dans leur matrice.
Ouais, je vois pas vraiment de verre.
Mais regarde.
We're driving back to my parents' place to pick up our furry children. Haha. I will attempt to clean some of them, sort them out, and show you my treasures.
I'm finding a lot of rocks hiding in different pockets.
I forgot the name for this one, but it should be copper on mica. So David, this is a piece of Thulite you found that was gem, huh?
Yep.
They look like crystals.
Yep.
I'm gonna leave it here because we have more Thulite. I'm not sure if you pronounce the H. In French we don't, but in English you might. So that's a piece, they were calling it grenalet, like ugly garnet. So they have a little bit of color, like beige. This can only be sold as a specimen. This one is amazing. Hard to see, eh? Okay, so the rest is gonna be in my big buckets. This is so tiny. This one. Okay, let me go get them. Or maybe we can start with these guys. So David found, I was looking with him, but at one point I got some Pyroxenite up a hill, so I left him to dig with the experienced Rockhounder. And the Rockhounder gave me a few pieces, and also we looked at the rejects. It's really valuable if it's many different crystal formations. The Vesuvianite crystals are kind of attached to a talc matrix. It makes it really brittle, so you have to carefully cut it and clean it.
Le triangle du soleil, là, ça fait beau. Ah ouais, non,
J'aime bien ceux-là.
ouais.
hope this is nephrite. We'll see. I'm back at the studio. I started cutting some of the smaller pieces. Wow, this one has a lot of little dots. It's supposed to be iron. And this one here is lighter, but there's some cracks, so I cannot make big pieces with that. And this one looks promising. Ooh! This one was pretty good. I used it to make a few cabochons. Nephrite is a variety of the calcium, magnesium, and iron-rich amphibole minerals tremolite or actinolite. It comes in a variety of colors, including shades of green, white, lavender, yellow, blue, black, red, orange, and gray. Nephrite is not always translucent, but should take a really great polish. For the jade, you have jadeite and the nephrite, two categories, but the nephrite can be a bit softer than jadeite. It can start at 4.1 on the mole scale. I'm still doing a scratch test to know which pieces I prefer. I want to go for something that is closer to a 6, I would say. So I scratched them all, and the ones that scratches way too much, I think they're maybe closer to a 5, and I don't want to bother polishing that. I would guess that on this piece, the whitest tremolite, the nail is leaving a mark, meaning that it's harder than the nail. It is in the silicate group. I'm not sure what this one could be. It reflects the light in a really interesting way, but it's really hard. It reminds me of a pyroxenite, but much lighter. If ever you want to see more rockhounding, gem show visits, gem cutting, or jewelry making, subscribe, click the notification bell, and also like, share it with your friends and family, and have fun. Let me know about your experience. See you later.